guys, I've got this big box here. See, it's in a really nice gift bag. Let's take a look and see what's inside. It's a gift for me. Hi Carolyn, we hope you enjoy our MustKetch. Regards, Todd and Ann Summers. P.S. MustKetch makes a great gift for family and friends. It certainly does, and that's why it's on the gift guide at Mommy Ramblings. Maybe doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Let me open this gift bag here. See what's inside. So we have Summers Family MustKetch. Meet your new favorite condiment. That's what it says. I thought I opened it the wrong way, but maybe I didn't. Okay, meet your new favorite condiment. Introducing Summers Family MustKetch. Yes, someone's finally done it, but this isn't just mustard and ketchup mixed together, it's a whole new kind of condiment. We use a unique blend of ingredients in each flavor to make them extra craveable. You've got to try it to believe it. Chicago style, no artificial preservatives, gluten-free always. So, we're gonna like this. We have a smoky flavor, we have the original, and we have a zesty. So we're gonna have to try these out. You can get a 3-pack of these and make a great gift. And they're nice sized bottles. They're 19.1 ounce bottles. Well, that's 19.1. This is 17. Ouch! This is 17.4, and this is 18.8. So this is a great gift for the condiment lover and somebody who loves mustard and ketchup to try a new one. Like I said, we may be having a giveaway. I'll put that in the video description. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.